Jury selection begins Monday in the retrial of Sheila Agee, the woman accused of helping her son murder 18-year-old Brooklyn Sims in a Pensacola Home Depot store in 2023. The first trial for Agee ended in a mistrial after multiple incidents of misconduct with the jury. Tanner Stewart joins us live downtown with more on this upcoming trial. Tanner?
Bob, good evening. I spoke today with a few legal experts who say that jury selection this time around will likely be much more tedious given what we saw in November. Retired Judge Gary Burgash spoke today on the importance of being an honorable juror. Prosecutors say they have the evidence to prove Sheila Agee took part in the murder of Brooklyn Sims. Sheila's son, Keith Agee, was convicted in 2023 and sentenced to life in prison. But his mother's case took an unexpected turn last November, when a juror was found doing a crossword puzzle multiple times during the trial. I spoke to that juror shortly after the mistrial.
Well, I didn't know that was a bad thing. I did not do it. I do that when I concentrate. I have something and I'm listening. You couldn't see the bench or the witness stand very well because it was dark. But I could hear it. I was listening, and that's just the way I do. I just do that. And I had no idea. And then when they told me that I wasn't supposed to do it, I stopped. And then today, when we went in the jury room, I had another crossword puzzle.
After the first trial was derailed, prosecutors are gearing up for a retrial set to begin next week.
Have to retry it. It is frustrating, and it just really is. It's disappointing and it's unfortunate.
Retired Escambia County Judge Gary Burgash weighed in on the mishaps from the first trial, saying the whole issue costs not only taxpayer dollars, but significant time as well.
If there's a mistrial because of juror misconduct or behavior, we've just wasted tons of time for our jurors. And guess what? If people don't come to jury duty, we lose our way of life. But I've never seen somebody work a crossword puzzle or do something like that.
The new judge will likely spend more time explaining the gravity of jury duty. Legal experts say attorneys on both sides will likely ask more pointed questions during selection, hoping to weed out anyone not fully committed.
If you can't serve, you need to let us know, and you need to pay attention. These are very serious matters. Somebody has been killed. Somebody's alleged to have done it. We know there's probable cause they did it. They've been arrested.
While exact costs of a retrial are hard to pin down, legal experts say each mistrial burns significant taxpayer resources and forces grieving families to relive painful events.
You've got victims involved, you've got defendants involved, and everyone has a right to a fair trial. We're going to lose our way of life if we lose the jury system in our criminal cases, and maybe even in our civil cases as well.
Neither the state attorney's office or Sheila Agee's attorney had any comment on this case. This trial is set to gear up starting next week. Reporting live tonight, downtown Pensacola, I'm Tanner Stewart.